ऐसे में ठीक आ रहा है, ऐसे में उल्टा धूप आ रहा है।
इसमें मोबाइल में ज़्यादा खरीद लिया मैंने भाई। कॉन्फिडेंट बोलता है।
It's also meiotic chromosomes. Chromosomes of birds, dogs, wild rat, human chromosomes, and the insects. What is the meaning? What is the reason behind it? To show there. Who is this? Mendelism. It is a scientist Mendelism. He gave an formula of A plus B ka whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. You also know about it. There is a television for our entertainment. In 90s television, what they want to see, want to watch is hut, small hut. There is a map, Bihar, West Bengal, Behroy, शिकारी व खास संकलन बिहार दो समूह में विभक्त है, घुमक्कड़, बिहोरी तथा उल्तू. You can read. There is a many things. Acha, this design is known as Tanda. Tanda, the simple hut of Athar Bihar, is conical in shape. It is locally known as Tanda. The hut is two erected, help of movable leaves, bamboo split, branches of trees, bird and keeper. It is made of bamboo and leaves. And there are no, hatiyar, weapons. There are many peoples. What are they doing? You can see but unable understand what's about it. Now we are coming to the next thing. This is the these are
ओल्ड
uh,
पुराने ज़माने के एंशियंट टाइम्स
ancient times household articles
यूटेंसिल्स
made of copper and many other things. Okay, come on, next thing. What is this?
मेडल्स
You can see this is beautiful, but I can't understand what is this. Then it's a very clear and perfect picture, and it's an ancient time picture also. Coming on the next thing, Chakki. It's Chakki. What is written there? The camel hardens a section of traditional Repri house, bhunga, and their household material. Kuch Gujarati. Something I can't understand, but it's looking so beautiful from backside. There is a Chakki and many more things you can see. We are in Indira Gandhi Manav Sangrahalaya, which is situated in Bhopal, MP, Madhya Pradesh. These are ornaments, I think. Ornaments. Zevar. These are ornaments.
राजस्थान साइड
Hmm. What is this? Next, come to the next point. What is this? You can read. Rabari Vivaha. It's this is a beautiful painting picture of ancient time. This type of picture printed on poles. See them. And this structure is remembered to think of old villages. It's a small hut for living, and lalten and a hat on a bamboo. Let's come to on the next thing. These all things we have seen. Now we should to go there. इधर बचा ना अभी. Yes. Uh, there is a old chulha stove in which the food was cooking. These are pot. These are also usually modern time also. It's it have very pure water and cold water contain. There is a it's a costume of ancient time. Many people wear this type of clothes to prevent cold in winter season mostly. What is this? These are household articles, right?
Utensils.
These are Mahatma Gandhi's Mahatma Gandhi's चरखा.
चरखा.
From this क्या होता है इससे
रस्सी
ऊन
बनती
बनाते हैं, वूल जनरेट होता है.
One generating machine of Mahatma Gandhi.
These are wool generating machine of Mahatma Gandhi. Wool also known as wool. Wool is Hindi word. It's also our household articles, which is used in every home, which is mostly made of brass and copper. And this is I'm see, I'm seeing from back. It is uh, wedding wedding arrangement.
मंडप. Like मंडप.
It's like mandap. हिंदी में मंडप कहते हैं. I don't know the English word for it. It is mandap in Hindi. And these are hal. By this, we can harvest the field for cropping. Yes, perfect. And this they just feel like a old village. Seeing this, if there are also a household articles which is made of brass and copper. Yeah, it's very secure door. There is only chain on top. It's a very secure gate, a secure door. In every home, you can see this type of door in ancient time. This is also our household articles, but this one is made of soil, and these are made of bamboo strips or small woods. Okay. Now it's near to end. I think upper we can go, but at the starting we can see here. You can see what a beautiful Nazara view. It's remind our village. It's all-time beautiful house. There is a picture painting on its wall. It's beautiful picture in both side, and the gate is also available. And this
Just looking.
and what is for that I can't understand. But let's go to the next things. No, I'm not seeing this one. This is also an household articles. You can see, and this before backside. These are weapons for many works. Now, come on next to the next thing. Come on the next thing. This type of equipment you also seen now in modern time. What is this? क्या लिखा है इस पे? Exhibit showing the model of tradition iron something furnaces installed in courtyard and of an Algeria house of Madhya Pradesh. This is the original weapons. ancient time to modern time. We also use this type of weapons in our daily life, and these are uh, water restoring articles. They are also used in ancient time, this type. And I think this this type of design is made for good looking area or many more things, maybe. I'm not sure. Yes. You can see this side. In ancient time, there is a lot of paintings in the in walls. These are cheetah. नहीं cheetah नहीं कह सकते. These are cats. These are cats, and these are door, which is so small and well designed. You can see here. Now come to the next thing. These are the ornaments. Old people, मतलब ancient people, wear these types of ornaments just like that. From near we can see. I think this is we are in lakes and many more things. मतलब you can say these are ornaments for ladies of ancient time. This is for our ability, for our facility. Now come into the next thing. This is used for only for only for cropping the field. Many types of, just like you can see in this image.
आ जाओ अंदर खींचते ना, ये पूरे ग्रुप के साथ खींचे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
ऐसा लगता है ये ग्रुप है।
लो स्मार्ट बॉय,
राइट, स्मार्ट तो है भाई।
बचपन से।
क्या ही तो व्यू है ना, क्यों व्यू अच्छा है। ये घूमना लगता तो नहीं है।